What happens when you slow down right in the middle of a big goal? Are you falling behind or finally catching up to something deeper? Let's talk about what the slow week actually revealed and why it might have changed the entire direction of this challenge. Hi, I'm Ivy K, and welcome to my 90-day freedom build. Over the rest of this 90 days, I'm sharing what it really looks like to build lifestyle and financial freedom in real life, with real limitations. I'm currently pregnant, working, raising a toddler, and creating digital products through my brand LyfStyled. Each week I document what I planned, what actually happened, and what I'm learning, so you can see how freedom is built step by step. This is week 7. We are officially past the halfway mark. And while this week felt slow at first, it gave me clarity. The clarity that I just didn't expect at the moment. If you're building freedom on your own terms too, hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss the final 5 weeks of this challenge. So what did I plan to do this week? My goal was to recover from the sinus infection that I had. I had ideas for living LyfStyled, some episodes that I was working on, but my highest priority was to get rest and recover. It was the first time in a while that I actually gave myself full permission to pause. And surprisingly, that pause gave me exactly what I needed. Later on in the video, I'll tell you how taking this pause helped me to reconnect with the reasons why I actually started LyfStyled in the first place. What actually happened? On CEO Day, I was still taking antibiotics. And from my experience, I already knew that they would just knock me out. So I decided to take things slow. I got to spend some downtime with my husband, and this is actually something that we haven't done in a while. He surprised me with a very thoughtful Mother's Day gift. He understands that I'm just a nerd dressed up like a mom. He got me this latest Insta360 X5 camera. It's a 360 camera, so it shoots video all around, no matter where you're pointing. I've been playing around with it and getting familiar with it. To me, this gift was more than just gear. It was a sign that he believes in my craft and wants to see me succeed. And yes, you'll be seeing more footage from this camera soon. I hope it will allow you to experience more of my world outside this small office. The rest of the week followed the same kind of rhythm with rest, reflection, and recovery. Here's how the downtime that I had actually changed my perspective. The downtime that I had reminded me where lifestyle really started. It actually started as a blog. At that point, I thought that blogging would be simpler than YouTube. But my perfectionism and WordPress made it way slower. Between building templates, managing plugins, and paying for new tools, it all added up to time and money that I didn't actually want to spend at this phase in my life. And with baby number 2 on the way, I knew that I needed a faster, more sustainable rhythm. And that's how the 90-day freedom build was born. YouTube became my new home base where I could show up consistently, document the journey, and build freedom in real time. So here's a bit more of the wins so far that I have seen with YouTube. I've launched 2 segments in my channel, the 90-day freedom build, which is the challenge that I'm currently reporting on, and living LyfStyled, where I share reflections and my lessons. I've posted 12 videos in 6 weeks, and I've gained about 50 new subscribers while managing life, work, and pregnancy. My channel is still small, with under 200 subscribers, but this has been totally worth it. It means everything. And if you're one of the new subscribers, thank you so much. I would like to give a special shout out to everybody who's been commenting on the videos. I read every message like it's from an old friend of mine. Your comments give me a sense of connection that's just so unreal. If you're new here and you're just finding this channel now, hit the subscribe button down below and catch up on the journey so far. We're now entering the final 5 weeks, so let's finish this challenge strong together. Earlier I mentioned that I do have a website. So what about the website? What now? The truth is that I've been so focused on video that I haven't touched the website as much as I would have loved to, but it's still the backbone of LyfStyled's income strategy. So during the next 5 weeks, I will prep the website to run on autopilot during my maternity leave. Of course, when I'm doing this, I'll need to balance things off. So I'm considering outsourcing what's important but too time-consuming for me right now. I'm currently not able to do it all, and that's totally okay. Here's my health and life update for this week. The 3rd trimester of pregnancy is just real. I've gone from needing 1 nap per day to needing rest in the morning and the afternoon, then taking a nap after dinner. I still fall asleep like a baby at night. This just shows that my body is working extra hard to create this little one. Physically, I'm exhausted because my body is working overtime. Mentally though, I'm bursting with ideas. In the coming weeks, I'll be carving out time to go baby shopping and will be preparing new household systems to take care of 2 kids instead of just 1. I believe in being prepared, and whatever tools help me to do so, I'll share them here with you. A short update on my transition fund. This week, my savings stayed basically stable, and I did avoid withdrawing from the fund for household emergencies. In the video linked over here and in the description, I'll walk you through exactly what happened and how I protected my transition fund without dipping into it. Check out the video once you are done with this one so that you can see how you can also protect the savings that you are building. If you've ever felt tempted to pull from your savings for some justified reason, that video is really for you. Don't miss it. My win for this week. My biggest win was giving myself permission to just pause. And in that pause, I saw the progress that I've been too busy to actually celebrate. I recommitted to creating content in the way that energizes me, not perfectly, but honestly and consistently. That's the path to lifestyle freedom. And this week, I chose it once again. There are 5 weeks left in the 90-day freedom build. Will I hit my goals or shift them again as life shifts me? Subscribe to find out. And thank you for walking this journey with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.